In this video, you'll learn how to sign up on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will create your account and be ready to use the platform for various tasks and services. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigate into www.taskrabbit.com. This will take you to the Taskrabbit homepage where you can find the options needed for registration. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an option labeled Sign Up Login. Click on this to proceed to the next step in the registration process. After clicking, you will see a menu appear. Select the Sign Up option to initiate the account creation process. If a pop-up appears prompting you to sign up, confirm by selecting the Sign Up option again. Now, you will be presented with a form to fill out your personal information. Start by entering your first name in the field labeled First Name. Ensure that you input your name accurately as it will represent you on the platform. Next, proceed to fill in your last name by typing it into the last name field. This is important for identification purposes within the Taskrabbit community. Following that, you need to enter your email address. In the email address field, type a valid email that you frequently use. This will be crucial for account verification and communication. Now, you will enter your phone number first. Select your country code from the flag drop-down menu. After selecting the appropriate code, type your phone number in the provided field. Next, create a password for your account. In the password field, type a strong password that meets security guidelines. This is vital for protecting your account from unauthorized access. You will then need to provide your zip code. Enter your area zip code in the zip code field. This information helps Taskrabbit understand your location and available services. After entering your zip code, you must agree to the terms and privacy policy. Check the box that states, I agree to the terms and conditions and have reviewed the privacy policy. This step is necessary to proceed with your account creation. Finally, press the Create Account button to complete your registration. After clicking, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created successfully. If you do not see a confirmation, ensure all required fields are filled out correctly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.